Hello, I am your child's math teacher this spring online, and I've been teaching at San Diego Academy since 1996, and I love the school tremendously. I'm going to scroll and show you my teaching philosophy. You can pause and read that, and then I'm going to scroll again and show you my education, and you can pause and you can take a look at that. And the math subjects I have taught while at SDA, some of these aren't offered anymore. We now have the integrated math system. With the integrated math system, I've been teaching Math 3, and then I've been teaching the AP Calculus A, B, and BC, and when it runs, I do the Calculus 3 linear algebra. The technology platforms we are using are Google Classroom, of course, and I'll be testing them through Formative, which used to be called Go Formative, and they're also using AP Classroom. And my email contact information. Then I am going to take you on a tour of Google Classroom. You can see the Meet link that can be shared here. They can also get on through here. That's the Meet link that we use every day when we get together. And the most important thing you want to know is where to see have they turned their work in. So this button shows everything that has been assigned and whether it is turned in or not. If it's missing, you can see that in red. Now, if they have not turned it in yet, but it is still due, you'll see assigned. Then if they have turned it in already, then it will say turned in without a done late. But if it's turned in after the due date, it will forever say done late. And if they need to turn something in, they click on that assignment, and then they can add or create any file that they want, and then they can push turn in. Once they push turn in, and it finally goes through, then you can go back over and see that it's no longer missing. It is now turned in. Just so you're aware of it, they can click mark as done, dink, without actually doing any work. And maybe you think they've done it, but they haven't actually done it. And then when I go to grade it, I will tell them you have nothing attached and give them a 0. But until that is done, you can't tell the difference. So how can you tell the difference? Paper clips. That shows that something is actually attached to it. See, nothing attached but turned in. But when it comes to certain things like these quizzes, they are going to another website. Like the quiz is on the My AP Classroom site. So in that case, they would not have anything attached unless they wanted to show me their work, which they do not have to do for the quizzes. You're going to need to order their AP exam, and you are going to choose whether they are going to take the AB exam, which is first semester calculus, or instead the BC exam, which is first and second semester calculus together. This gives them an entire year of calculus credit by taking just the BC exam. And to order anything, click on the exam registration payment, scroll down, and then click on exam payments for SDA. And that's where you can begin filling out their information. Right now, we're doing those additional topics that are in BC but not in AB, and I've been doing vector motion and parametric curves with them. Then we're going to start infinite series, where I focus on the Maclaurin-Taylor polynomials, then focusing on the convergence divergence tests. Then we'll do polar functions, and then we do about a month of review for AP exam. And when I say a month, what I mean is after spring break, we have about typically 3 weeks before the AP tests start. And so 2 of those weeks are spent just reviewing everything. Another week is spent testing and as a practice test that I grade, and it is worth part of their grade, and get back to them. And then 2 weeks of AP testing where students are in and out constantly. So it pretty much takes more than a month out of quarter 4. After the AP exams are over, we'll do some advanced integration techniques that are not on the AP exam. And I like to introduce them to three-dimensional parametric curves because a lot of them are moving onto the multivariable calculus, and I can use this to help get them thinking a little bit more three-dimensionally. In fact, any program that they can use that deals with 3 dimensions will help prepare them for that multivariable calculus, because I found that is the biggest weakness, is their lack of time spent playing with 3 dimensions. So that's about it. And I want to leave you with one of the most enjoyable things to watch: tangent polynomial taking shape, creating the graph of sine. I hope you have a good term. I hope your kid has a good term. And hopefully, very hopefully, we will all be back to normal soon. I'll hopefully see you in person sometime. Thank you.